Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable HD audio for your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your speaker at the device list and just scroll down a bit. Right here we have HD audio, so you need to tap at this slider to enable it, and if you want to disable it, when you have a colorful background, it means that it's enabled, so to disable it, just tap on it also. And empty background on this slider means that it's disabled. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!